Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make veggie nachos in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a large baking sheet with parchment paper. This ensures your nachos cook evenly and cleanup is a breeze. Next, gather your favorite vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini. Chop them into small, uniform pieces so they cook quickly and blend well with the chips. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Start by spreading about 1/2 of your tortilla chips evenly across the prepared baking sheet. This forms the base for your nachos. Next, sprinkle 1/2 of your chopped vegetables over this first layer of chips. Ensure good coverage so every bite gets some veggie goodness. Finally, add about 1/2 of your shredded cheese over the vegetables. To complete the assembly, repeat the layering process. Add the remaining tortilla chips, followed by the rest of your chopped vegetables, and finally, the remaining shredded cheese. Once layered, place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly and the chip edges are golden brown. Once your nachos are golden and bubbly, carefully remove them from the oven. Let them cool for just a minute or two before adding your favorite fresh toppings. Think vibrant salsa, creamy guacamole, a dollop of sour cream, or even some fresh cilantro. Serve immediately for the best taste and texture. And for more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade veggie nachos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.